As we grow older, our homes become reflections of our lives, filled with items that tell stories of our past experiences, family moments, and personal milestones. However, as time passes, these cherished possessions can accumulate to the point of creating unnecessary clutter, making our living spaces feel overwhelming rather than comforting. Understanding what contributes to household clutter and taking proactive steps to address it can help create a more serene, organized, and enjoyable home environment. One of the most common sources of clutter is outdated paperwork. Over the years, bills, receipts, medical documents, and even greeting cards can pile up, taking over drawers, countertops, and filing cabinets. Many seniors hold onto paperwork just in case it becomes necessary in the future, but this habit often results in an unmanageable accumulation of documents. A practical solution is to invest in a well-organized filing system with clearly labeled folders to store essential documents such as legal papers, insurance records, and recent medical information. For everything else, consider scanning and digitizing documents to store them safely on a USB drive or in cloud storage. Establishing a routine for sorting and discarding unnecessary paperwork can help maintain an orderly home, preventing the buildup of unnecessary clutter. The kitchen is another area that often falls victim to excess clutter. Over time, duplicate and rarely used kitchen items can take up valuable storage space. Many seniors accumulate multiple sets of cookware, utensils, and small appliances that they seldom use. Items such as chipped mugs, outdated gadgets, and unused bread machines can easily create unnecessary mess and make the kitchen feel disorganized. To streamline the kitchen, it is beneficial to keep only the essentials and donate or discard the rest. Storing seasonal or rarely used appliances in less accessible cabinets can also free up space for everyday essentials, making meal preparation more convenient and enjoyable. Inherited furniture and decor can also contribute significantly to household clutter. While sentimental items passed down from loved ones carry emotional value, they may not always fit well within a senior's current living space. A large china cabinet from a grandparent or a floral loveseat from an aunt might hold precious memories but could also make a home feel cramped and less functional. A thoughtful way to address this challenge is by repurposing sentimental items into more practical uses, such as turning vintage linens into throw pillows or quilts. Another option is to pass these heirlooms on to family members who have the space and appreciation for them while preserving the memories through photographs or digital archives. Bookshelves often become overcrowded over the years, with books that may no longer be relevant or meaningful. While books are treasured possessions, excessive collections can make a space feel cluttered and difficult to manage. A practical approach is to keep only those books that hold personal significance and donate the rest to libraries, schools, or community centers. To further enhance organization, decorative storage baskets can be placed on lower shelves to hold miscellaneous items, keeping the space both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Decor that no longer reflects one's personal taste can also contribute to clutter. Figurines, outdated wall art, and other decorative items that once brought joy may now feel like dust collectors. As personal preferences and trends change, it is essential to reassess home decor periodically. Replacing outdated decorations with items that inspire happiness and reflect current tastes can refresh the home's ambiance. For example, replacing heavy drapes with lighter window treatments or swapping dated artwork for a vibrant new piece can create a more uplifting and inviting living space. Closets are notorious for accumulating unnecessary clutter, with clothing from decades past, shoes that no longer fit, and handbags that have been forgotten. Applying the one-year rule, if an item has not been worn in the past year, it is time to donate or discard it, can help clear out space and make it easier to find everyday essentials. Clothing swaps with friends or donations to local charities can be a great way to repurpose unused items while maintaining a curated wardrobe that suits current lifestyle needs. Sentimental clothing, such as a wedding dress or a beloved sweater, can be transformed into keepsakes like pillows or framed textile art. Too much furniture can also make a home feel crowded and difficult to navigate. Over the years, furniture pieces accumulate, leading to rooms that feel overfilled and restrictive. This is particularly concerning for seniors, as cluttered spaces can pose mobility challenges. Evaluating each furniture piece for its usefulness and comfort can help determine whether it should be kept, repurposed, or removed. Opting for multifunctional furniture, such as ottomans with hidden storage, can maximize functionality while minimizing clutter. Replacing bulky furniture with sleek, comfortable alternatives can also open up the space, making movement easier and enhancing the overall ambiance. Expired medications and toiletries are common sources of clutter in bathrooms. Many seniors accumulate old prescription bottles, half-used beauty products, and bulk toiletries that take up valuable storage space. Regularly reviewing and discarding expired medications and unused products can keep the bathroom organized and reduce potential health risks. Organizing toiletries into labeled containers and using drawer dividers can also improve accessibility and create a spa-like atmosphere within the home. The habit of saving items, just in case, can quickly lead to excessive clutter. Many people hold onto empty jars, stacks of old magazines, or unused household items, believing they may need them in the future. However, if an item has not been used in over a year, it is likely unnecessary. Setting limits on storage space, such as designating a single bin for such items, can help prevent accumulation. Donating or recycling these objects can free up space and make the home feel more organized and peaceful. Finally, unused holiday decorations can create significant storage issues. Over the years, festive ornaments, lights, and seasonal wreaths can accumulate, filling storage spaces and becoming difficult to manage. Sorting through holiday decor and keeping only the pieces that bring joy can reduce clutter and make seasonal decorating more enjoyable. Gifting sentimental ornaments to family members or donating excess decorations to community centers can ensure they are appreciated rather than left in storage. Organizing decorations in labeled, stackable bins can also make them easier to access and maintain for future celebrations. Decluttering is not about erasing the past, it is about curating a space that reflects who we are today. By addressing these common clutter culprits, seniors can create a home that is both functional and comforting. The key is to start small, tackle one area at a time, and celebrate progress along the way. A well-organized home fosters peace of mind, enhances daily living, and provides a sanctuary that truly supports well-being and happiness.